You're from Mumbai, sir.
Yes.
And a lot is happening around Aurangzeb right now because of a film that released last month, Chhawa. What is your point of view on Aurangzeb, sir?
See, what have the Indian Muslims got to do with Aurangzeb, what he did 300 years back? But the BJP wants to rack up the issue, divert the mind of the nation from the basic issues, which they were doing since the last 30 days. What we have been seeing that the people, they've totally lost on the priorities. Nobody's asking them question about development, about employment, about the rise in the farmer suicide in Maharashtra, named Mumbai. So many farmers have committed suicide in Maharashtra. There is no talk in the budget session last time because of this issue which was active for Aurangzeb. Now they want to dig up the grave of Aurangzeb. See, Aurangzeb died in the year 1788, and after that, 111 years, the Marathas ruled. Nobody went and dug up the grave. And I am asking them a question every day. I say, if digging the grave of Aurangzeb would provide employment to the youth of the country, okay, I will go along with you and dug up. If digging the grave would influence the economy of the country, come on, let us go and do that. But no purpose will be served by doing that only for your own sake. You want to do it. That's not good for the democracy. It is a ASI protected monument. Now, but they want to divert the mind, so every day they are racking up the issue of Aurangzeb. And one Samajwadi Party MLA has given them this junjuna. Since that day, they have been starting doing this. Otherwise, what has the country, Indian Muslims, got to do with Aurangzeb 300 years old?
Right.
So we want development for the country. What he did 300 years back, no Indian Muslim is interested in that.
A little correction, I think, sir, Aurangzeb died in 1707, if I'm not wrong.
1788, I think so.
Okay, we'll check it, sir. And what is the reason behind opposing Modi, Saugate-e-Modi, sir? BJP Saugate-e-Modi.
ये बॉस हिंदुस्तानी मुसलमान मोदी की सौगात का मोहताज नहीं है। 25 करोड़ की आबादी वालों में से आप 32 लाख लोगों को किट दे रहे हो। हमको नहीं चाहिए। किसी मुसलमान जो गैरतमंद होगा वो कभी नहीं लेगा ये। आपको अगर सौगात देने का इतना शौक है, हमारी बच्चियों को डिमांड ड्रिवन स्कॉलरशिप दो। हमारे जो
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to Mirror Now.